Hi, are you looking for employees and you need CVs? Let me show you an easy and simple way. To register your company on Rwanga Foras portal, where you will find CVs across Kurdistan, region and Iraq in a very simple and fast way. Let's start. Visit the link and follow the instructions. Click on Register at the top of the page and register yourself as a new employer. After registration, it should be approved by Rwanga Foras team. Once approved, log into your company account to post a job or find CVs. On Dashboard, go to Jobs, then click on Post a Job. Directly, the job details page will open and fill the form including name of the position, job description, location and required skills. Then click on Save and Continue. After that, the Screen Out Filters page will open. Simply click on Save and Continue. The last page will open to specify the closing date and job confidentiality, then click on Activate. Now your job is posted on Foras portal.
Rwanga Foras, working for a better future.